And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their Cute X1. This is a super mini massage gun. You can see it's good for sports recovery and relaxation massage. 7mm deep amplitude, 12cm compact body, 5 levels of intense adjustability, and 17.6 pounds of massage strength. Cute X1, company name. Thanks again to them for sending it to me. Company logo again. In the back, 10 minutes of intelligent timing, 4 different massage heads, the amplitude's the max frequency. It weighs just over a half pound at 0.6 of a pound, a 650 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, and then 5 gears. So gear 1 is 1800 RPMs, gear 2 is 2100 RPMs, gear 3 is 2400 RPMs, gear 4 is 2700 RPMs, and gear 5 is 3000 RPMs. We got the yellow one. Let's open it up, see what we're working with here. Wow, very nice packaging. Nice, nice. Is this, it does, look at that. Tech for recovery care for life. So it included, that little piece. And it included user's manual, pretty detailed to tell you about the item. Oh, look at that, they include a little carrying case. Got the company name on it there, very nice. And included USB-C type cable to charge it and an actual decent length. It's not like 6-inch USB-C cable. So here's the heads. We got this like Y-shaped head. We can actually, not Y, U. So this is a U-shaped head. And then we got the standard spear head, just a round one. And then we have the small round head, very nice. And then the flat head. Very, very nice. And then lastly, wow, this is small, the massager and a little wrist strap. And that's it for the box. Wow, very small. Look at that. That is pretty tiny. So your USB-C port is here on the back for charging. Right there is where that little wrist strap can go in. You've got a nice way to grip it here, like a good spot for your thumb. And of course, just take one of these. They just like pop into place. Now your button is on the bottom here, so no other button around it that I can see. So if we press and hold it, cuts on. Nice. Now if I press it again, you see it change up to the next level. This is level 2. I mean, that would feel phenomenal. Level 3. Oh, this does feel good. Level 4. And level 5 at 3000 RPMs. Very nice, and it's not very loud. Like that's not a loud massage gun at all. And hit it again to turn it off. Very nice. Love the size of it. I mean, that's like basically the size of my hand. Really, really nice. And to get all these extra heads, a carrying case. At the end of the day, a perfect mini massage gun. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.